Hi everyone, I'm Gian from Octopus Cloud, and in this recording I'm going to present a new module in OC View called Virtual Machine Rightsizing and Transformation Advisor. The Rightsizing and Transformation Advisor helps you to get confident in VM transformations and migrations into the cloud, for instance like into Azure. But we took a quite innovative approach here. OC's approach takes care of securing forecasts to avoid additional billing at any cost. We minimize the risk of unexpected additional billings in the future for cloud instances. Enough talked. Let me show you what I mean. The new module can be found under the main navigation reports when you click here, and then you can click on the Cloud tab. At the moment, we have one category here, the VM Rightsizing and Transformation Advisor, but in the future we will add additional categories as well. Let me now generate the report. Now, let me give you a walk-in into the things what we can see here. First of all, you have here a link, Show Explanation, which briefly explains how things are calculated. And as usual, you have also on the right side the CSV or Excel button to export the data. We even have an API to get to be reached actually, so you can access everything over the API as well. Then we have a summary row where you can see how many VMs are now included in this report and other very important informations. You benefit from this report of two things. Not only is OC showing the right-sized instances for your VMs, but also compares all the price plans of the cloud provider and shows you also how much you could save with the optimum advice of Octopus given. And our recommendation is the best calculation which ensures reliable forecasts. OC is using a unique approach here. Instead of using the naked running hours of the measured VMs, we are using the approach with the so-called ARH, adjusted running hours. In the explanation, we described what ARH actually means. So when you go back to the explanation, you have here a nice explanation what actually we do. Because the RH, so the running hour, involves additional billing risks of up to 730 hours a month. The ARH is a highly accurate added margin to the RH to minimize the risk of unexpected additional billings in the future. That's why you can see here in each column we are always calculating with the ARH and not with the simple RH numbers. And in the end, we are presenting you our advice which is the best to migrate or transform the VM in the cloud. But let's say you are not happy with the OC advice. You have the possibility to overrule our advice by selecting your preference, and this one can be done on the right side. So you can click on the drop down and then you can select any other price plan or transformation plan which you think fits much better than the optimum advice of Octopus. And once you click off one of them, you also see immediately how much more expensive this price or cheaper this price could be than our advice. Also, let's say the ARH, also the adjusted running hours, is fine, but you would like to see also a calculation based on the pure running hours, also the measured running hours by the OC scanner. So we also thought of that. So to reach this calculation, you can click on one of the rows advice, and there you will see two other alternative calculations, and one of them is the pure running hours calculation. And here you will also see the prices and how more expensive or cheaper this calculation is. Alright, I think that's it for now. If you have any further questions or wish a demo, please contact your account manager or write to the support team. Thank you very much and have a great day.